Hello everyone, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Queen & Company, the new Sweet Shop kit. It's super adorable. As you can see, all the paper and the stamps and the dies, really cute. And then all these examples here, thought were super fun. So I just wanted to kind of real quickly share this with you. I'm sorry about the crinkling. You do get the acetate pieces, and then you also get some of the foam for you get 3 of each, so for the shakers there, and then you get 3 of this one. So really cute, and I love that they do this, so it makes it super easy to put some of these together. There's that, and then you get some of the toppings. And the toppings are so much fun. So I love how they match the paper. So here's some of the toppings. So there's those. And then, oh, there's a yellow one as well. And I think I missed one. Oh no, they're all there. And then you also get these toppings here. In all these fun colors. There's one in yellow. So there are the toppings. And then you get the dies. And how fun are these? The little ice cream truck. And then all of the, just a bunch of them. I love them so much. I love the popsicle and the milkshake, the sundae, the ice cream cone, the donuts, and then the cupcake. And this is like the triple layer sundae, which you can also add the drizzle on top. And then this is for the milkshake over here. Sorry about the glare. And I like that they have the straw for the milkshake. That's super cute. Such a fun kit. And then there is the stamp set. And all of the fun things. It says, I don't know what I do without you. You sprinkle happiness wherever you go, delivering sweet birthday wishes. I hope your day is sprinkled with happiness. What's the scoop? Thank you. Happy birthday with sprinkles on top. You are the cherry on top. Birthdays are nature's way of telling us to eat more cake. Sprinkles make everything better. This card is sprinkled with love. I love you a whole lot. Let's celebrate with extra sprinkles. Life is hard. Eat donuts. Or donuts help. I'm sorry. It's life is hard. Donuts help. Or life is hard. Ice cream helps. Life is hard. Cupcakes help. Make a wish and you make me believe anything is popsicle. So adorable, right? So there is that cute stamp set. And then of course the coordinating paper. Adorable. I just love it. And you get 4 of each sheet. Here is that one. Just adorable. And everything coordinates really pretty. All right, so there is one more look at the kit here with little cute little samples. So that is this Sweet Shop kit. I will leave the link below in case you're interested. Last I looked, they were still in stock, but sometimes they sell out pretty quickly. Thank you so much for stopping by. Until next time, crafty wishes. Bye.